Racketeering, extortion, tax evasion.
Dealing, racketeering, money laundering, attempted
alleged,
murder.
Yancy.
Well, I've been picked up for loan sharking and racketeering, but never convicted.
I made bail. I was charged with racketeering and fined $100,000
right away as well.
Racketeers, sex fiends, dope
This man is given to known racketeers for their illegal enterprises.
Racketeering and bribing government
Bribery,
officials.
extortion, murder, racketeering.
So what are they looking at?
Racketeering, extortion, tax evasion, and maybe worse for Ben.
But Joey Panero was a hard-case felon. Dealing, racketeering, money laundering, attempted
alleged,
murder.
Yancy. I didn't hear you say. Did you hear him say alleged? Mr.
Not really.
You ever been arrested?
Well, I've been picked up for loan sharking and racketeering, but never convicted. No, I'm clean, Harry.
Racketeering.
And we did.
I made bail. I was charged with racketeering and fined $100,000.
You can slap an interstate transportation aid or racketeering rap on them right away as well.
Yeah, well, none of that bullshit means it.
Oh, gangsters, I imagine. Racketeers, sex fiends, dope addicts. All the other criminal elements from whom my uncle...
$1 million in low or no interest loans this man is given to known racketeers for their illegal enterprises. Not anymore. It's time for the
Cocaine smuggling, racketeering, and bribing government officials. He certainly doesn't show it. But no...
Find out is to find out. Bribery, extortion, murder, racketeering. Can you give me an address?
Mr. Weeks, the charges against you, racketeering, extortion, kidnapping, and accomplice to murder are very serious.
Scandal went. Or how many big corporations or small-time racketeers leaned on him. Whatever the risk,
Put him down to bed at night.
Would you haul a wire, Chief? Dave the Dude, bootlegger, racketeer, and gambler, wants to tell me a Betty Bye story.
Best thing that ever happened to him. What are you trying to say? He was about the worst racketeer that ever made a dirty living in this city.
Policeman, huh?
Come on. Have another.
no testifying.
No testifying. We dropped the extortion and labor racketeering charges. It's 10 years. You plead guilty to 2 counts of false.
There's 250 acts of documented mail fraud there. That's racketeering. That's minimum 1,250 years.
Called the committee this morning. I came out here looking for you.
He the one that said he was with those racketeering sons of bitches. They stole her fridge. They stole her copper pipes.
He'll never climb out of that. That's sharecropper math. It's also usury. It's racketeering. Second, you can't stake a player and play in a game at the same time.
3 months since the shootout in Garrison, New Jersey, reputed mob boss Toy Torrillo has been indicted on 4 counts of racketeering.
Unidentified corrections officers arrested